What is going on? So today I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Tonkeeper. So first step is to prepare your Tonkeeper wallet. Ensure you have a Tonkeeper wallet set up and funded with Toncoin. Note that Tonkeeper does not support Ethereum network. Instead, use the Toncoin network for transfers. Sell USDT for Ton on Binance. Go to the Fiat and Support section on Binance and sell your USDT to Ton. This will convert your USDT to Ton, which can then be transferred to your Tonkeeper wallet. Withdraw your Ton from Binance. Navigate to the withdraw section on Binance and select Ton as an asset. Enter your Tonkeeper wallet address as the withdrawal address. Confirm the transaction details and the submit withdrawal request. Receive Ton in Tonkeeper wallet. Once the withdrawal is processed, the Ton will be credited in your Tonkeeper wallet. Make sure you use Toncoin network, the correct network, when transferring from Binance to avoid any issues, losing your coins or something like that. Verify the recipient address in Tonkeeper wallet before initiating the transfer. Be aware of any potential fees associated with the transfer, and that is it.